Are you aware that there's residue and odors that build up in the brewing chamber of your Nespresso coffee machine? This area cannot be cleaned by your usual cleaning and descaling procedure. Caffenu has a simple solution, a cleaning capsule just like your coffee capsule that you insert into your machine as you normally would to make your coffee. At the press of a button, the powerful cleaning agent is delivered directly into inaccessible areas, releasing a unique foaming action inside the brewing chamber that gets rid of all residue buildup in just 2 minutes. This new way of cleaning is 100% safe, using an agent made from biodegradable and organic materials. With regular use, it will make your machine last longer and ensure you get the perfect cup of coffee every time.